Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to automate another test case under the search functionality. The test case number is 14. Okay, verify user is able to sort the products displayed in the search results. Okay, before we automate this particular test case, I'll first see what exactly we need to automate, or we'll try to understand the test case first. Okay. So for that, we need to open the application URL in any supported browser. So I have opened the application URL in the browser, guys. The next thing here is enter the search criteria in the search text box field, which can result in multiple products. Okay, enter the search criteria in the search text box field, which can result in multiple products. That is like you need to enter the search criteria like Mac here. Okay, enter Mac here, and after that, after entering Mac, what do we have to do here? Click on the button having the search icon. Click on this button having the search icon. Click on that. Once I click on that, what is the next activity I need to do? Then I need to verify this. More than one product should be displayed in the search results. Did we got more than one product or not? We can verify that. And then we have to select several options from the sort by drop down field. Okay. Here in the sort by drop down field, there are several options like name A to Z. Okay. When I select name A to Z, iMac should come in the first position. MacBook they should, alphabetical order, they should come, guys. Okay. I, J, K, L, M. Okay. In that space, then A, then P. Okay. So alphabetically, the products are coming that we have to see. Again, when I select Z to A, in descending order, they should come. Okay. In non-alphabetical order, that, from this side, it should be alphabetical. Okay. So Pro is coming here, Air is coming here, MacBook is coming here, iMac is coming. That they have to verify that. Okay. Then price low to high. Okay. The lowest price item should come here. iMac price is low. We know that in advance, like 602, 1202, and 2000. We have to verify that. Next one, price high to low. From high to low price, the product should be ordered here, sorted here. Ratings, highest to lowest. Okay. So if you go here inside this, do we have any ratings anywhere? Let's see. Any ratings anywhere? No, no, none of the products have a rating, guys. Okay, it is not going to work here until the ratings are provided here, but there are no ratings. We can ignore that for a while. But in real application, if you have some ratings, right, we can clearly verify that. Okay. Then ratings lowest to and also doesn't work much. Okay. Then next one is model A to Z. It looks this format and Z to A and this format. Okay. So somehow some options may not be working in this application, guys. There may be some defects in the application and all. But as a sample, okay, as a sample, okay, as a sample, because I don't have contact with the client and I don't have the development team who are working on this project in real time. What I will do is I have some questions regarding this model and this ratings and all those stuff. Okay, how to do and all. Since I don't have much support, I'm going to automate from here to price. Okay, name, sorting by alphabetical order and all those stuff, non-alphabetical order, then sorting by price and all. I'm going to verify as part of this session. So you see, if you understand how to automate till here, you can easily understand how to automate these things also. But for this, some pending doubt clearing parts are there, so I am not going to automate it fully. Whatever that is I can automate, I am going to automate in this session. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started automating this particular test case, guys. Okay, for that I'll launch Eclipse IDE here. Okay, let's launch Eclipse IDE here and start automating this particular test case. So here, when I select the drop-down option, sort by, and select some options in that, products are sorted according to the option selected in the sort by drop-down field. Okay, we need to verify that the products are properly getting sorted or not. We need to verify. How to do that, I'm going to show you in this session. Okay, so here, I'll just launch it. I'll just launch it, guys. Okay, once I launch it, I'll just expand this project a bit and go to this src test java and tests package, and here search.java is there. I'll create here search.java I'll open here, and search.java I'll create another test method here, that is public void verify user is able to sort the products displayed in the verify sorting products verify sorting products in search results page. Okay, in search results page, we need to verify sorting the products in search results page at the rate test annotation. And here write down priority is equal to Priority is equal to priority is equal to 14. So here write down header options is equal to new header options, and pass the driver here, then pass the driver here, then header options dot enter product into search box field, enter the product into search box field, and here enter the product which is there in the which a product which can result in multiple search results. Okay, multiple products should be displayed in search results after entering the search criteria. So existing sample term resulting in multiple products is Mac. Copy that property name, and here write down prop dot get property, and in the double quotes give that property name. So it will enter Mac into that, and after entering the Mac into the search box field, we need to click on the search button, search options, search options dot click on search button, click on search button. Once we click on the search button, you know that we'll be taken to the search page. Okay, or search results page. Search page I'll write on here. Search page is equal to now once you get the object reference of the search page here, what is the next thing that I have to do? After I go to the search page, I first thing I need to do here is, okay, after I click on the search button, having the search icon, the first thing that I need to do is we have to verify that more than one product should be displayed in search results page. For that, we will write an assert statement, assert true search page dot get number of products displayed in the search results is greater than one or not. We have to verify. Okay, then if this is greater than one, then the test will pass so far. And then after that, we have to select several options from the sort by drop down option. Okay, in the search page, we need to select different options in this. Like for example, the first option I want to select is A to Z here. Okay, to select the options in this drop down field, I'll inspect this drop down field, guys. I'll inspect this drop down field, and it has an ID, guys. Input sort is ID for the drop down field. Copy that ID of the drop down field, and here, what I need to do here is I'll go to the search page. On the search page, the drop down field is there. I'll go to the pages, and here I'll go to search page here. In the search page, I'll create a web element for that. Okay, private web element. Okay, what is the option? Sort by drop down. Sort by drop down field. Okay, and here write down at the rate find by, and ID locator is there for that drop down field. Give the ID locator, and once that is done, we need to select different options in this drop down field, guys. We need to select different options. Earlier also we have worked on something. So public void select option in sort by drop down field field, and here string. So here it may be index or something. Okay, we can do it by index, or we can do with the help of name or something. Inspect this. So let's see first of all which type of drop down this is. Let's see. It's in the same. Okay. So let me inspect the drop down field once. Okay. Inspect this drop down field and see options are there. Okay. I think this is good. Visible text we can do. String option text, and here I'll write down element utils. Okay. Select option in drop down field. Here using index method is there, guys. Instead of using index method, right? Here also we have to create give the web element of the drop down field, web element element. Okay, I need to give the web element of the drop down field, and have to give the option text. Okay, that I want to select here. Okay, so like that I have to do that, but this is a different method, and this time I'll go to the location where I have created that method, copy that method and paste that. Definitely it will be there in the element utils. Okay, in that select option in drop down field using visible text. Okay, visible text using option text, you can say. Okay, using option text, then web element, and here write down string option text, string option text. Okay, and here write down element is displayed and is enabled and all the stuff. Here instead of select by index, you write down dot select by visible text, and here option text you have to pass. That's it, guys. Nothing more than that. Okay, this is what is the change you have to do. And go to the search page dot java, and here write down dot select option in drop down field using option text, and here we have to pass the element and option text, then the option will be selected. So here I'll come back here and write down search page dot select option is sort by drop down field. Select option in sort by drop down field. For this, I need to pass the web element. First, I need to pass the web element of the search box field. What is the web element of the search box field? Okay, already. Okay, I'm giving something like this. Okay, 1 minute. Go to search page here. What is the option? Select option in. Okay. Here I don't have to pass the element here, guys. Rather, I can pass out by drop down field. I can directly pass here. I don't, from here, I don't have to pass the element. Okay. One thing that is a mistake. Okay. The next thing that I have to pass here is the string text, guys. Okay. The text. Okay. There are different options, right? What is one of the option we have here? The option is name A to Z. Okay. Name A to Z. Copy this name A to Z and copy that and in double quotes, give that. That's it. Name A to Z option I need to. Here, are we hard coding the data? Yes, we are definitely hard coding the data, guys. Copy this. How to remove the hard coding of the data from here for the options. Go to the properties file. Here, write down sort option one is equal to. Okay, copy this and here write down prop.get property, prop.get property, and provide the property name here. Sort option one. Okay, save this. Then, okay, once this will select A to Z here, we have to verify that the in the first position iMac is there, second position MacBook is there, third position MacBook Air is there, and fourth position MacBook Pro is there. Okay, how to do this? Okay, so yeah, I'll inspect this. I'll inspect this, and here product thumbnail is there. Product thumb. Control F double forward slash div at the rate class is equal to class. So I don't know that. Remember, okay, that only. Okay, in that double forward slash img is that img, and here iMac should be there somewhere. Okay, anchor tag is stopping here. Product thumbnail, anchor tag, image, product thumbnail image. This is iMac, and here somewhere H4 is there. In that iMac is there. Okay, so here I'll simply write down. Don't know whether I can go there. H4. Yeah, it's going there. In that H4, we have double forward slash A. Okay. And here, provide. How many elements are coming here? 4 elements. 1 of 4. In that, if I give number 1, if I give number 1 like this will locate the first element. And if I get the get text here, using this XPath expression, if I get the get text, I'll get the first product thing. Okay. So here, I'll simply write down. I'll go to the search page and create a web element here. Private web element get first product in search results. First product in search results at the rate find by xpath is equal to give that xpath expression here. That's it. Okay. Then here I'll write on public void get first product name, and here I'll write down element utils dot get get text of element, and here first product in search results, and put a semicolon here and simply say return here and say string here. Okay, that's it. Then similarly copy these two things and copy this thing and create one more method that is two here, that is second product. I'll just write down second product in search results. Okay, then I'll copy this method and paste it here and say get second product name, and here I'll write down second product in search results. Okay, second product in search results. Third one, third one, guys. Copy this part, create one more method with three. Here, three you write down. Here, third product in search results. Here, write down, copy this part and paste it here. And here, get third product name, third product in search results. That's it. Now I'm going to go with the fourth product, last one. Here, I'll give four here. Fourth product, fourth product in search results. Copy this part, paste it here, get fourth, and here write down fourth product in search results, fourth product in search results. Save this. Done. Next one. Okay, fine. Here, here I need to write down assert dot, assert dot, assert equals, assert dot, assert equals. Here I'll write, first one is, once I select name A to Z here, the first product should be iMac. So here I'll write iMac here, iMac. Then here I'll write down search page dot get first product name. If matches, then we are good to go. The test will pass. Copy this and write down one more assertion. Second assertion is like, MacBook. You have to write MacBook here. MacBook. Here we have to write MacBook. And here I'll write down dot get second. Dot get second product name. Here I'll write down, copy this. Here I'll write down third one, that is MacBook Air. MacBook Air. Here I'll write down get third product name. Then fourth product should match with the MacBook Pro. Here Pro should come. Here fourth product name. That's it. Okay. Like this we have to verify, guys. Okay. After that, what I'm going to do here? After this, what I'm going to do here? Again, I'm going to select another drop down option here. Again, I'm going to say copy this and write down here search page dot select option in sort by and product sort option 2. Sort option 2 means what? Here it is going to select name Z to A. Once it select name Z to A, here write all these assertions. First write this one and just write down, and here write down get first product name. Okay, should be MacBook Pro. Then copy this one, and here MacBook Air should be there. Then copy the third one. Third product should come as MacBook. And copy the fourth one, and fourth product should come as iMac. Fourth product should come as iMac. Like this. Okay, that's it. We have verified that. Next, again we have to say sort page dot select option in sort by drop down field. Here option 3, I'll say option 3 is nothing but price low to high. As part of the price low to high, iMac should come first. So I'll say get first product name should match with iMac. Price low to high, right? First iMac is there, then MacBook is coming, then MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. I think it's all almost matching MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. So copy this. This is repeated here. Okay, iMac, MacBook Air, and MacBook Pro. Fine. Then I need to select the fourth option here. Select option 4. In the select option 4, copy this. This time it will be kind of reverse way. This one will be the correct way. Okay, mostly. So let's select high to low here. Highest price, that is 2000, is coming from, that is MacBook Pro should be there in the first position. Then here second price 1202 MacBook Air is coming. Then next MacBook. Okay, then MacBook and iMac. Okay, I think these are the verifications we have to do, guys. Okay. For every sort option, we have to verify all these assertions and see whether the test is passing or failing. So this is how we need to automate the 14th test, guys. Whether it got successfully automated or not, we have to run the test to see whether we are getting the results as passed here. Then we can confirm that it got passed. Okay. Run the test here and see whether it is working fine or not. I'm running the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Test is failing, guys. Test is failing. What is the problem here? Null pointer exception. Some error came. In which line we got that null pointer exception? Search page 110. Okay, I got it. You see why you are getting null pointer exception here? Sort by drop down field. There is a sort by drop down field here. Okay, sort by drop down field is maybe this search page need to be reinitialized every time, guys. Okay, that's maybe one of the reason because when you click on the search button and select different sort options, right, the DOM is getting refreshed. So here every time you have to say every time after verifying all this stuff in which line it was failing earlier. Let's see. It in which line? 1/10th line is some, okay, not 1/10th line. Let's go to some other place. That is 237 line. That is this line it's failing means here DOM is getting modified. Such page is equal to new such page of driver we have to pass. Okay, how to get the driver here? To get the driver, we have to say such page dot get driver. Here we are on the search page. We have to get the driver of the search page only. Okay. For the mouse and import search page from pages. Okay. That's it. And yeah, I don't know whether this will work fine or not, but we'll see. Copy this. Then here and again here. We have to do this and run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. We have to reinitialize the web elements in that particular search page in the page object class. Okay. So maybe that is one of the reason why it's getting failed. Okay, still it's getting failed. Still we got a null pointer cannot invoke 239. 230. Okay. 239 it's failing, guys. Okay. Still 9 null pointer exception is coming. What we have to do here? What if I give driver directly here? Let's see what will happen. First of all, we are going here, the search page. And the search page, we are verifying that more than one products came and all this got verified properly. And then again, we are saying search page. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, here we should not be writing. We should be writing after sorting. After sorting, we have to write like this. Okay. Or we can do one more thing. Select option in here. We'll say return. Sorry, where is that? Here I'll say return new search page. This will make the things easier. Search page and then pass the driver here. Then pass the driver here, put a semicolon and simply say search page. Okay. Now automatically it will be initialized. Okay. I don't have to do much. So I'll just go back to here and here. I don't have to write this anymore. So here it will return you the object of the search page. So simply say search page here. That will be enough. Search page is equal to copy this and here also search page is equal to here also search page is equal to you can remove this stuff. Okay. I think this should work fine now. I'm just did some modifications. I'm thinking that it should work fine, but let's see how it goes. Still not working, guys. 238 line, it's not working. 238 line, it's not working. Why? I have to think again. Click on search button. Once I click on the search button, you'll be going to search page dot get number of products in the greater than one, and search options dot select option in sort by, and you are selecting this option. Once you select the option, okay, once you select the option, these options are coming that you are verifying. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then what else I need to do here? 238 line, it's going off. It's giving me null pointer exception there. After sorting, after verifying all these four things, it's giving me null pointer exception. Why it's giving null pointer exception, we need to investigate once. Element utils. Here, select by visible text of option text. Okay. Is that line? 214th line, we are getting null pointer exception. That means option text. Uh-huh. Select by visible text. 1 minute. We are passing the element here. On the element option text we are giving. That option text is going to select by visible text here, and in the visible text, this is a method actually. Okay, we don't here only it's coming. 214th line, it's giving me an exception. Hmm, what is null actually here? Okay, let's investigate. Okay, element utils dot java to 14th line. That's page 110 line. So here we are getting null pointer exception. Sort by drop down field. Maybe this one. I'm just thinking this is the reason. Sort by drop down field element. Input sort. Okay. And here, is that the correct element or not? Inspect this. Row C, Control F, double forward slash, select. At the rate ID is equal to, give that ID, only one element is coming. Thing. Locator is fine, guys. No problem with the locator. No problem with the locator, guys. Locator is coming fine here. That is input hyphen sort. Okay. Where is that method? Here is a method which is giving me that thing. Option text is okay and everything is okay, but this one is not good. Select option in drop-down field using option text. Sort by drop-down field is failing maybe. For that, go to search.java here. Search page is equal to new search page of then search page dot driver. Let's see whether this is working. Search page dot get driver. Search page dot get driver. Let's see. I'm just doing whatever I can do here. Get driver. Is it working fine or not? Let's see. Run this test again to see what is happening. Still failing. Again, the same line it's failing, guys. Why it's failing there? Here, I'll do one thing. I'll just provide a line breakpoint I'll provide. And here, when I run this, I'll not say run, I'll say debug. Here also I'll say debug, not run, I'm debugging. Okay. Okay. Yeah, switch to the debug mode and see what is happening here. Here we have step over, step into step over. This is step over. Then I'm on the 238 line. Here I'll write like this. Illegal argument exception it is saying. Okay, I don't have to do one thing, guys, okay? Immediately I'm getting that. So I'll do one thing. I'll just go to the select options and here I'll just write like this and go to search.java and again debug from the start. Okay, sorry. Uh, let's go to console and stop this and go to search.java here and click on debug again from start to see what is happening. Here it stopped. Element utils dot select option text is properly coming. You see name A to Z is properly there. Then return. When I say returns, search page of driver. Sorry, where is that? Okay, here. Here when it is trying to return the search page of driver. Hmm, okay. Okay. Assertions are passing. Done. Select option in. Sort by dropdown. It went there. Option text is null, it's saying, you see. Option text is being said as null here, okay? That's the reason. Option text is not coming. So did I made any mistake in the script then? I'll just stop everything. Go to the console and stop everything. And go to the search page and go to the normal mode of Java. And here, I am missing anything, guys, okay? Prop.get property, sort option 2, I am saying. Go to the properties and, oh, I forgot to give that options, okay? That's the reason we are getting that issue, okay? You see, investigating is sometimes will help guys, okay? Where exactly the problem is coming. The second option is, you know, Z to A. The third option is price low to high. Price low to high is the third option. Copy that and provide here. I forgot to give the properties. Okay. You see, but when the framework becomes big, right, it will be very difficult to to understand what exactly is going wrong. Because of what reasons we are getting the problem, we will not be able to understand. Okay. So here, hover the mouse and say search page. Write down, not a problem. Search page. Let's reinitialize, not a problem. Okay. Is equal to copy this. But already their search page is equal to and all those stuff is there. Sort option 2, sort option 3, sort option 4. Everywhere search page is there here. That's okay. Now save this and write down what exactly is happening here. Run the script to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, let's go here and run the test this time. This time it should work. Let's see how what will happen here. Still it's failing, huh? Expected iMac but found MacBook Pro. Close all. Just go to the search.java. Control Shift O. Save. Control Shift F also. Save. Go to the testng test method. Get first product name. Sort option one. When you select sort option one, that is name A to Z. First here, what is coming here, iMac should be there, and that's what I'm verifying, right? Or we'll do one thing, I'll just not utilize this, or I'll go here. 1 minute, I'll go here and I'll not create an object for the, will not return anything. I'll make it normal, okay? Until and unless it is required, you should not, hot code replace field. Continue. Okay, that's okay. Save this. Come back here. Hmm. Then, yeah, here also I'll remove this part. Here also I'll remove this part. Here also I'll remove this part. Okay. Now save this and run it. Still not working fine. Expected iMac but found MacBook Pro in which line? Pro 233rd line. Okay. It's finding a different thing. Mm, yeah, let's see what is happening. When I select A to Z, first default will be there. Okay, then if I say name A to Z, iMac is there, Mac. Okay, so why it's coming like that then? But found MacBook Pro is coming in the first item. Okay, let me see. Is there any problem with the code or something? Get first product name. First, first product in the search results. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct only. Okay. Again, I need to investigate, guys. Again, I need to investigate. There's no other way. Click on search button. I'll just put a breakpoint here. I'll remove the other breakpoints. Okay. Here I'm putting a. I just have to double click to get the breakpoint, guys. And now debug. Switch to the debug mode. Click on step over. Then click on search button. Click on the search button. When I click on the search button, okay, stop this and debug it again. Launching the browser, Mac, stop there. Click on the search button, step over. Yeah, now it is here. Get number of products, step over. Working fine. The next one, assert dot. I'll say step over here. It went into this part. Here price high to low is coming. Why the price high to low is coming here for the option text here? Okay. Dot option one. Go to the properties file again. Go to the properties file again, guys. Project Explorer, go to the properties file. Did I make any mistake in the properties file? I need to verify. Oh, oh. You see, small mistakes here 3, here 4. Okay. This is the reason why it's not working, guys. Okay. I gave the wrong properties. All the mistakes I'm doing in the properties file only. Terminate, save all, go to the normal mode, and here go to search.java. This time it will work fine. Okay. This time it should work fine. The property values were not given properly, guys. That's the reason. You see, anyhow, in this session, we have learned something. No matter what, we have learned something new, guys, like how to figure out, how to, investigate what exactly the problem is, troubleshoot what exactly the problem is in the script. This kind of situations will happen in real time without our notice. We may do some mistakes, guys. Sometimes it may take some weeks of time also. Okay. I've seen situations where, just for a small problem in the locator, while investigating, right, in a very big project and big framework, it's a possible that you may take 1 week of time to identify what exactly is going wrong somewhere. Okay. You'll be doing a small mistake. That small mistake to be identified will take a lot of time sometimes. Okay, fine. So that's what, guys, that's what is all about. That's what is all about this session, where I have successfully automated the 14th test case. As part of automating, we have not only automated the test but also came across some problem, and we troubleshooted that problem and resolved that problem. This kind of troubleshooting, the this type of learning how to troubleshoot the problem in real time is very important, guys. Okay, so definitely you have learned something new in this session, I can say. So we'll stop here for this particular session. In the next session, we'll go and automate the 15th test case. Okay. So till then, see you. Bye bye.